Eclipses are powerful cosmic events. They hold a profound energy that can act as a catalyst for personal and collective transformation. This energy can be felt deeply. It can bring about significant shifts in our lives. Eclipses often coincide with periods of great change. They can signal new beginnings, endings, or profound awakenings. These celestial occurrences are not merely visual spectacles, they are energetic resets. They offer us opportunities to realign with our true selves. This process of realignment can be challenging. It can also be incredibly liberating. By understanding and working with eclipse energy, we can navigate these periods of change with greater ease and awareness. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. The concept of the 3D/5D split refers to a profound shift in consciousness that is taking place in our world today. This transformative shift is happening both on an individual level and collectively across humanity. The term 3D represents third-dimensional consciousness, which is the reality most of us are familiar with. This 3D reality is characterized by our everyday experiences, where we navigate through linear time, duality, and the material world. In this dimension, our lives are governed by the ticking clock, the concept of separation, and a focus on physical objects and achievements. 5D, on the other hand, refers to fifth-dimensional consciousness, which is a higher vibrational state of being. This elevated state is characterized by unity, unconditional love, and a deep sense of interconnectedness with all that is. In the 5D realm, we experience a profound sense of oneness and harmony, transcending the limitations of the 3D world. The 5D realm is not a separate place that we travel to. Rather, it is a state of awareness and consciousness. It is a way of perceiving and experiencing reality that is more expansive, inclusive, and aligned with higher truths. This shift in consciousness allows us to see beyond the physical and embrace a more holistic view of existence. The 3D/5D split suggests that humanity is undergoing a significant evolutionary process. We are collectively moving towards a higher level of consciousness, where our thoughts, feelings, and experiences are being transformed. This shift is becoming increasingly apparent in our daily lives, influencing the way we think, feel, and interact with the world around us. As we embrace this new state of being, we open ourselves to greater possibilities and a deeper connection with the universe. Solar eclipses occur when the moon passes between the sun and the earth. This temporarily blocks out the sun's light. Symbolically, solar eclipses represent new beginnings, fresh starts, and the potential for powerful transformations. During a solar eclipse, we are encouraged to examine our lives. What needs to be changed? What are we ready to leave behind? Solar eclipses provide a potent energy for setting intentions. They offer a cosmic reset button. We can use this time to plant seeds for the future we desire to create. Solar eclipse energy is about aligning with our authentic selves. It is about stepping into our power. It is about embracing the unknown with courage and optimism. Lunar eclipses occur when the Earth passes between the Sun and the Moon. This casts a shadow over the Moon. Lunar eclipses are often associated with emotions, the subconscious, and the past. They provide a powerful opportunity for release. They allow us to shed old patterns, beliefs, and behaviors that no longer serve us. This can be a time of intense emotional processing. It is a necessary part of the growth process. Lunar eclipses remind us that sometimes letting go is the most powerful thing we can do. By releasing what is no longer aligned with our highest good, we create space for new possibilities to emerge. The three-dimensional and five-dimensional split is becoming increasingly apparent. This phenomenon is not just a random occurrence, but a significant transformation in our collective consciousness. There are several reasons for this. The universe itself is undergoing changes that are influencing our planet and its inhabitants. One significant factor is the acceleration of spiritual awakening happening globally. People from all walks of life are beginning to explore their spiritual sides more deeply. More and more people are questioning old paradigms. They are no longer satisfied with the conventional ways of thinking and living. They are seeking deeper meaning and purpose in their lives. This quest for understanding is driving a collective shift towards higher consciousness. This awakening is leading to a shift in values. People are beginning to prioritize what truly matters to them. People are prioritizing love, compassion, and interconnectedness. These values are becoming the foundation of a new way of living. This shift in consciousness is contributing to the emergence of a new paradigm, a paradigm that emphasizes unity and collective well-being. This new paradigm is based on unity, collaboration, and harmony. It is a vision of a world where everyone works together for the common good. The increasing sensitivity to energy is another reason for the three-dimensional and five-dimensional split. People are becoming more aware of the energetic fields around them. As we raise our vibration, we become more aware of the subtle energies around us. This awareness is opening up new dimensions of perception. We become more attuned to our intuition. Our inner guidance system becomes stronger and more reliable. This heightened sensitivity allows us to perceive reality from a more expanded perspective. We begin to see the interconnectedness of all things and understand our place in the universe more clearly. The three-dimensional and five-dimensional split can be a time of great change and uncertainty. This shift can bring about feelings of confusion and disorientation as we navigate through new energies and experiences. It is important to stay grounded during this transition. Grounding helps us to remain centered and balanced, providing a stable foundation amidst the chaos. Spending time in nature is an excellent way to connect with the Earth's energy. Nature has a calming effect on our minds and bodies, helping us to release stress and find peace. Walking barefoot on the grass, hugging a tree, or simply feeling the earth beneath our feet can be incredibly grounding. These simple acts help us to reconnect with the natural world. Sitting in quiet contemplation, whether in a park or by the sea, allows us to tune into our inner selves. This practice can help to ground and center us, bringing clarity and calm. Meditation is another powerful practice for navigating these shifting energies. It helps us to quiet the mind and connect with our inner guidance. Meditation helps to calm the mind, reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of peace. It allows us to access deeper levels of awareness and understanding. It allows us to connect with our inner guidance, providing insights and clarity during times of change. Even a few minutes of daily meditation can make a significant difference in our overall well-being. Even a few minutes of daily meditation can make a significant difference. It helps to create a sense of routine and stability, which is essential during times of transition. It is also important to nourish ourselves with healthy foods, plenty of water, and adequate rest. Our physical health directly impacts our emotional and spiritual well-being. Taking care of our physical body supports us in navigating the emotional and spiritual shifts that are taking place. Practices like yoga, stretching, and staying hydrated can enhance our overall resilience and adaptability. Eclipses can amplify emotions and bring up unresolved issues. It is essential to be gentle with ourselves during these times. Allow yourself to feel your feelings fully. Do not judge yourself for what arises. Journaling can be a helpful tool for processing emotions. Writing down our thoughts and feelings can help us to release them and gain clarity. It can be helpful to set intentions during eclipses. What do we want to create in our lives? What changes are we ready to make? Remember that transformation takes time. Be patient with yourself in the process. Trust that you are being guided and supported every step of the way. The three-dimensional and five-dimensional split is an invitation to evolve. It is an opportunity to step into our full potential as human beings. It is a call to create a world that is more loving, compassionate, and just. The journey may not always be easy. It will be filled with challenges and triumphs. Remember that you are not alone. We are all in this together. By embracing the process of transformation with an open heart and a willingness to grow, we can create a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come.